Hi guys, it's Shreya here and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will be sharing my top 10 Latafa perfumes which are perfect for this Diwali. These are perfect for festivities. Some perfumes have like a traditional feel, some have a modern feel and some are universal. So let's begin with my top 10 picks from Latafa for Diwali. All of these perfumes are purchased from Scentopiaperfumes.com. I do have a non-affiliated discount coupon code. Just in case if you want to avail, I'll leave the details here. As I always say, this coupon code is non-affiliated, not earning a penny out of it. Feel free to use it or not use it. Before I begin, make sure कि आपने मेरे channel पे subscribe कर लिया है, you've hit the bell notification and you follow me on Instagram. And now let's get started. So the first perfume that I want to start off with is Latafa Dukhan. Now Latafa Dukhan is something that is very spicy, sweet, kind of like cinnamony, a little boozy in nature, and this is something which has a nice traditional feel to it. So if you're somebody who's wearing traditional like sari or lehenga, a little heavier on the Indian traditional, not a normal suit, but maybe like a sari or lehenga, or you are a guy who's wearing kurta pajama set, I think this perfume will do really well with that kind of an outfit, like in which you are literally looking like Goddess Lakshmi. I think this perfume will do really well. Now this perfume is very strong, kind of creates a good scent bubble around me, and you don't need to touch up this fragrance again and again. So even when you're doing like puja, meeting people, having party, this perfume will survive through and through without the touch-ups. So I really love how traditional this smells. I really love how occasion specific it will be. Now my second pick is Oud Mood by Latafa. Now Oud Mood is a very woody, rosy, caramel heavy oud fragrance, and it's very mature, it is sweet. It literally feels like you have like a log of wood on which there are some rose petals, and you are kind of like pouring that sweet caramel and some sugar onto that log, and that whole kind of like that sweet supari wala jo feel aata hai na, it just has that kind of a feel in it with some those nuances to it. This one again is a strong one, but not as strong as Khamra Dukhan. This will give you around 6 hours of longevity, and it does project, and sillage is also good. And this is something that is very sweeter. It is not very spicy. This is something sweeter and woody, quite mature. This is also a unisex fragrance and has a traditional vibe to it. And also an alternative to this is Sheikh Al Shuyuk Luxe. I'm left with very less juice here because this is something that I get a craze of wearing this. मुझे एक बार ये ऐसे चढ़ता है तो मैं इसी को लगाते जाती हूँ, तो इसका एक अलग नशा सा है मुझे. ये मेरी सेकेंड बॉटल है. आई हैव ऑलरेडी फिनिश्ड वन बॉटल एंड दिस इज द रीपर्चेस, एंड आई फेल्ट दैट दीज टू सेंट प्रोफाइल्स आर वेरी सिमिलर, इसीलिए मैं बस ऑल्टरनेट बता. नाउ माई थर्ड रिकमेंडेशन इज टेरियाक. नाउ लताफा टेरियाक इज अ वेरी फेमस fragrance. This has a beautiful note of white florals meeting some cooked pear and leather. Like those are the prominent notes that are present in here. This is kind of like sexy and raw and kind of like has a different kind of a seductive vibe to it. Has a modern twist के साथ है. So if you're wearing an outfit like what I'm wearing, maybe like a salwar suit with a heavy dupatta, something like that, I think this will do really well. Even if you are somebody who wears kind of like more of Indo-Western or Western dresses on Diwali, but you participate in the Diwali chores and puja and all of that, I think this will do really well in that case as well. Also, if you're wearing as simple as a kurta and jeans, I think Teriac is the perfume for you. This is very strong, creates a great scent trail, and this is like a conversation starter because it's very different, it's very beautiful, it's very different, projects really well. So this could be a good conversation starter, especially if you are somebody who has like that mocktail cocktail parties during Diwali. You should wear something like this. Now, since we are talking about Teriac, I had to include Teriac Intense. This is one of my favorite boozy, fruity fragrance to wear. Now, this is very gothic, and that's what the vibe I'm going for. If you are somebody who kind of wears very gothic lipsticks or very gothic colors, maroons, reds, deep purples, burgundies, blacks are your tone, no matter what festival it is, then you are going to love wearing this, and you are going to complete your outfit with this. This whole vibe of this bottle, black, transparent with a serpent on top, is just, it's a vibe in itself, and it just screams dark gothic energy, and that's what this fragrance is all about. I am somebody who loves wearing reds and maroons, so this is the kind of perfume that I also go for. I don't mind wearing a gothic fragrance at all because it just has like a seductive feel to it and a mysterious feel to it. Like I love that kind of a feel, and I love wearing such perfumes. I think this Diwali I am going to wear this fragrance. On number 5, I'm going with Angham because this is something which is universally flattering. If you're wearing Indo-Western, Indian wear, for everything, I think this is a perfect all-time around kind of a fragrance. I wanted to keep such fragrances in this list, which is not very specific to Diwali and other festivities में भी आप उसको equally use. मैंने ये specifically रखा. इसमें बहुत सारी sweetness है vanilla की with some aromatic hint of lavender and a kick of ginger. These are the most prominent notes here along with some cacao. ये fragrance भी काफ़ी long lasting है, performs really well and just gives you a very sweet aromatic calming cloud. दिवाली में वैसे ही घर में बहुत हसल रहती है, बहुत काम रहते हैं, डस्टिंग, क्लीनिंग, पूजा की तैयारी एंड entertaining guests and all of that, and this is the kind of scent that will just tell you to सब हो जाएगा. You know, it just kind of gives that assurance that you're going to get through it and you're going to succeed in it. So just love the vibe that this one gives, a very nice calming fragrance, and that's exactly what each one of us need in every festival, not just Diwali. While talking slight sweet fragrances, just want to cover the other two also, and this one is Nebras. Now this is like universally loved vanilla fragrance in the perfume community. My bottle has macerated from 2 years now. It's been macerating since 2 years and now finally it is performing really well. This is a mixture of red fruits with some vanilla, lots of cacao, lots of muskiness. This is very powdery in nature, and on me it literally has this vanillic powdery feel. Now this fragrance has started performing really well on me and it started to give me like around 6 to 7 hours of longevity, which I am really surprised because my opinions have drastically changed after I see the longevity now. It also has started projecting well. Sillage is still not there, but it's fine. So overall I love this fragrance. Love the scent profile. I loved the scent profile earlier also, but just because it was so poor in performance, I just could not get the hype around it. But now I get it when it has macerated. But 2 years of maceration, that's ridiculous. But yeah, coming back, this perfume is a very nice berries, red berries, cacao, vanillic, powdery sort of a fragrance. Creates a good sweet powdery scent bubble around me, and something which is very sweet and very kind of innocent and kind of like a conversation starter, but also has some maturity to it, you know. So again, this is something that will do good in all sort of outfits, like be it traditional or modern. It will do well in all outfits. And this is something that even, you know, teenagers can also enjoy in your family. So that's Nebras. Continuing on the vanilla trail, I have a mature vanilla for you guys. This one is Latafa Seher, the one that has the dragon cap, but I removed that cap because it was just impossible to use. And look at the dent that I've made on this fragrance. This is one of the best vanillas in my collection. This is sexy, kind of wild, a little raw sort of a vanilla. It just has this kind of like fountain pen mixed with vanilla vibe to it, you know. It just has this weird nuttiness to it, bitterness and nuttiness to it along with vanilla. This is so different and this is so mature, and this is not your girly girls vanilla and not your sweet vanilla. Such a different take on vanilla, something that I really love and enjoy. I'm definitely getting another bottle of Seher because the scent profile is just awesome. And this is something that does really well when I wear sari. Like, I wore sari the other day and I wore this fragrance, and the tons of compliments that I received on this. Crazy. Like, in the air, this one does not come out as very gothic or inky or bitter, but the, you know, the initial sprays has all that magic for me. But also the dry down is very nice on this one. So I love this. I love myself a mature vanilla, and this is my pick. If I wear a sari, I'm going to wear this one. On number 3, I have Latafa Atheri. Now, Atheri is for those girls who kind of wear a little lighter outfit on Diwali. They don't want to carry heavy outfits, but I want to keep it simple yet a little traditional. This one is for you. Now, this one was an underperformer for me, and I have been letting it to sit and macerate, but I'm not seeing a huge difference yet. This also has a prominent vanilla to it, and also something which has like a honeydew note with some white florals. This just smells super delicate, like very delicate, very put together, very classy, and just sort of reminds me of the color yellow, pale yellow for some reason. Like, it just has a very happy vibe to it. And if you're somebody who is like that kind of a person who's very cheerful, bubbly, and you're like you're like the person who kind of keeps the whole family integrated by your quirky behavior, and you're kind of the person in the group who keeps the group jovial by being silly or by being notorious, or just you have that bubbly nature. I think this will suit you really well. It is mature, but it is kind of like notorious mature, you know. It kind of has that vibe to it. So see the dent that I've given here. I have been testing, trying, and just liking the scent profile. This is a very likable scent profile, so I'm really loving wearing this one. It's just that I'm still waiting for this to perform better on me, but the scent profile is really good. And on some of you, like you have mentioned in the review video, that what are you talking about, a theory stays for days on us. Congratulations that it does. You're very lucky that it does, because this is kind of like a 3,000 rupees fragrance and it's not performing on me. So I'm very happy that it's performing on you, but my opinion is still on the fence on the performance, but the scent profile is just to die for. On number 2, I have Lattafa Badial Oud for Glory. I was confused between this one and Amethyst as to which will be more appropriate, but since I have already covered like a rose oud fragrance through Oud Mood and Sheikh Al Shuyuk Luxe, I did not want to repeat the scent profile. Otherwise, Amethyst is also perfect for Diwali, but I'm picking this one because this is more unisex in nature, and this is through and through traditional fragrance. Okay, this will not go with jeans and top, and this will not go with Indo-Western. This will go with sari, lehengas, and heavy wala salwar suit, you know. And if you're a guy wearing a sherwani or whatever you're wearing traditional, this will go really well with that, you know. This is your very woody, very oudi, little bit sweet kind of a fragrance, but the oud in this is the most prominent note that you will get. Okay, it's very mature, it is very strong, it's very projective, it's a complete paisa vasool kind of a fragrance. It just keeps lingering and has a massive scent bubble around me. Okay, to my nose and on my skin it goes a little synthetic for some reason. Like I get that sort of like a plastic ka vibe, a little bit of a plasticky vibe when I wear this one, but that plastic vibe fades away. But in the initial spray I do get that, that's why I'm mentioning it. But I really enjoy this one because this is a beast mode fragrance. Once I apply it, I don't really have to bother about coming and refreshing my fragrance every now and then. So I love myself a beast mode fragrance, and that's exactly what Oud for Glory gives me. On number 1, I have Musammam White Intense, and this has just become almost my top pick from Lattafa. This is such a gorgeous white florals with meeting this coconutty accord. It just is so beautiful. It is so balanced, kind of has like some green hints, some freshness, has white florals, has hints of coconut, has maturity. This is classy, elegant, everything in a bottle. Recently I wore a sari for one occasion, and I wore this perfume with that sari, and you know what, I literally felt very confident. Like I'm not a person who loves wearing sari. In fact, I'm not a person who can drape also sari well, unless my mom helps me out in that. And you know, I wore it and I was a little underconfident if I will be able to carry it or not, and then I wore this, just instant boost in the confidence, you know. So really love wearing this one. I even recorded the video of Musammam White Intense wearing that sari because it just gave me that feel-good factor to wear. Such a beautiful fragrance which you can wear on Indo-Western, Indian clothes, and super traditional clothes as well. In fact, I think this will do really well as a bridal scent also. This is something that you can wear when you are doing the puja and you're like the main character. It will give you that main character energy. Love this one. Performs really well, projects, everything is like 10 out of 10 on this one. Except for the snake on the bottle. I'm not a fan of the snake on the bottle, but everything else about this fragrance is at 10 out of 10. That's why it's sitting on number 1. Alright, that was everything for today's video. I hope that you enjoyed watching this and you liked my Diwali perfume recommendations from Lattafa. I do have more perfume recommendations for Diwali from other brands, but I'm kind of like thinking to do that video or not. Do let me know if you want a follow-up video with some other brands that I can cover for Diwali. Do let me know in the comments section, and advance happy Diwali to all of you guys. I hope that you have a safe and a prosperous Diwali, and have a great time with your friends and family and your loved ones. If you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, hit the bell notification, follow me on Instagram, and I'm gonna see you very soon in my next video. Bye.